Introduction to Biology, and the topic is contribution of Muslim scientists in science. Here we will discuss about 3 Muslim scientists and their contributions. Number 1 is Jabir bin Hayyan. His date of birth is 721 AD and date of death is 815 AD. He was born in Iran and practiced medicine in Iraq. Now the contribution. He wrote many books on plants and animals. His famous books are Al-Nabatat and Al-Haywan. This book, which is known as Al-Nabatat, it's about plants, and Al-Haywan, this book is about animals. Besides this, he also introduced experimental investigation in chemistry. Experimental investigation means the process of experiments. Now the second Muslim scientist, Abdul Malik Asma'i. His date of birth is 740 and date of death is 828 AD. He was born in Basra. Now the contribution. He was a specialist of animals and wrote many books. His famous books are Al-Ibil, Al-Khayl, Al-Wahush, Khalaqul Insan. Al-Ibil, this book is about camel. Al-Khayl, this book is about horse. Al-Wahush, this book is about animals, especially about wild animals. And Khalaqul Insan, this book is about human beings. Now the third Muslim scientist, Abu Ali Sina. His date of birth is 980 and date of death is 1037 AD. He was born in Uzbekistan. Now the contribution. He is known as the founder of medicine because he did a lot of work in the field of medicine, and also known as Avicenna in the West. Avicenna means a person of wide knowledge or simply learning, as he was a physician, philosopher, astronomer, and poet. Physician means a medical doctor or simply a doctor. Philosopher means a person who learned philosophy, and philosophy is the study of fundamental nature of knowledge or reality. Astronomer means a person who studies about astronomical objects like stars, planets, moon, and galaxies. And poet means a person who creates poetry. One of his books, which is known as Al-Qanun fil Tibb, it is known as Canon of Medicine. It means an encyclopedia of medicine in 5 books. And encyclopedia means a book or a set of books giving information on many subjects or on many aspects of one subject, and typically this information is arranged alphabetically. That was about the contribution of Muslim scientists. Now the exercise. Question 1. Write down the contribution of Muslim scientists in different fields of science. Question number 2. Define canon of medicine.